jotonono ani channel lamsugu norok jotonono welcome tei hambai jotonono norok kano subscribe khema bagai ano support khema bagai to ani request norok ani video notebo share khaidi like ridi comments ridi to especially students rongno sao norok comments ridi noroni kuno bujia tongkhai ba kuno problem tongkhai norok a comment section thangi norok januk mano norok ajago problem ungui tongo hinai तो फटी संग तबुक तेलेलिया संग क्लास 9 नि मोशन चैप्टर फिजिक्स नि फर्स्ट चैप्टर फिजिक्स नि हमो खले नै एनसीईआरटी नि तो मोशन तो मो बुझिन नांगनाय व्हाट इज मोशन ओके तो मोशन मीन्स व्हाट इज मोशन नि डेफिनेशन जदि संखाय मोशन खाय रमदि तबुक कायसा अजगो कायसा सपोज अजा कायसा बरक तंगमानि आ बरक बतम खायका ब अरनि हयते अर थांका ओके अरनि हयते अर थांका सपोज ओ जगह थांका ब ओ जगह सयका इन 5 minutes फ्रॉम हियर अब जगह हयते ओ जगह थामानि बतम खायका नायदि बबिनि जे प्लेस जे तमानि हमर चेंज खायका क्लियर this person changes from one place to another place here. This is A position and this is the B position, okay, and this is called motion. So what is motion? Motion thai if any body it changes its position from one place to another place with respect to time. So aben bagi sang time no nadi or sao time tongna nangnai with respect of time amno sungsane motion. तो मोशन नो सुंगताबो डिफाइन खेना हिंके मोशन खाय एक ए बॉडी इज सेड टू बी इन मोशन इफ इट चेंजेस इट्स पोजीशन फ्रॉम एनी प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस इट विथ रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ टाइम बोलो सुंगसाने मोशन नादि इन आवर सिनि जे इन आवर यूनिवर्स और सपोज सिनि यूनिवर्स नायनायखाय एवरीथिंग इज इन मोशन we all are everything suppose everything here everything je tomani sini in motion jotono motion tongo everything in motion clear everything in our universe or in our earth are in motion why because sini je earth bottom khai earth bo revolve khai tongo modudi sun khai modudi earth ni rotationary bini axis khai bona dikhe rotate khai tongo that means bottom naiba sung jotono ro motion tongo modudi earth khai okay if this is an earth modudi ekta earth khai planet and all planet earth sung jon move khayo nai de move khai to rotate khai tong sine earth then we are in everything is in motion to sung joton motion tongo motion mane sung kebo kintu resto tongya think se important ko ojago sung bujina hinke motion no and the reference point is very important reference point okay what is reference point say nang tabuk কোনো একটা জায়গা সাপোজ কাইসা বরক ও জায়গা তঙ্গ দিস ইজ বাস গাড়ি বাস যে তুমি বাস গাড়ি মো একটা বাস ইয়া ফোন আই ওয়ান্ট টু ড্র অ্যাকচুয়ালি আই ওয়ান্ট টু নট ড্র অ্যাকচুয়ালি আই নন বুঝিনা চেষ্টা খাই তঙ্গ জায়গা মো যদি কাইসা বাস গাড়ি খাই ও বাস গাড়িও নং তাবো আচুক তং খাই সাপোজ নং ও জায়গা আচুক তং ও জায়গা তো নিনি ফ্রেন্ড কে ও জায়গা তঙ্গ নিনি ফ্রেন্ড কে ও জায়গা তঙ্গ ক্লিয়ার তো when nang tabuk after a few minute and 1 minute pore after 1 minute to normal see off khane fight nin friend oro to nung off o jaga phaikai suppose mo gari tabuk je bus to no jaga phaika and tabuk after 1 minute nung bono nadi young nukha but agi aro to mani to when you knows that you are in motion or your body is suppose you are in motion when you changes with suppose more need a friend no mono ekta reference point or reference body hini tonika reference or fixed point reference body to reference body or reference point mono siana point to bono nai nung tom hagan saimangkha je you are in motion because with the reference body with respect to the reference body nung o jaga tomani then o jaga tung o jaga nuk khabono no after 1 minute so adikhe no feel khemano that you are in motion so motion is very interesting actually very interesting chapter okay to esini syllabus class 9 no tabuk motion jodi bujina hinkai we have to understand two term mainly actually it is described by actually distance distance is very important. Number one, distance, distance. Distance. Number two is your displacement important. Number three is speed as well. Number four, velocity, and many more, etc. Acceleration and all. Time also important. So motion no description time also important factor also time. So first duita term very important, kaise ke distance and kaise ke displacement. So for so distance and displacement no take ja deeply bujhna chesta hai. तो distance no first बुझ रहेगा ना, distance and distance जो no familiar with this term distance. So distance no जो no किचा ना किचा same आनो तो मने हिंदी distance. पर so describe करने distance no और bin definition दिलाएगा ना what is distance. Distance नारी distance is actual path covered by a body when it is in motion. Nadi, and what is displacement? Displacement is it is the shortest distance from inertia to final position is defined as. Now pictorial example or pictorial by diagram by some try can means ang or bodikai bujinai. Say what ago Ram ni house ozagoton. Okay, bo ozagabo bini friend ramni friend jesupanong tu ramni take a friend ozago take a friend tongo a friend mukhai romdi Lakshman anything Lakshman hone de jephon de so bo o a point ni hote b point to final na ho layer obini je knock ozago tong to mani ozago bo mafayo bini friend by malai na bai but ozaga kuno way kare ozaga ekdom kuno way or lama kare kuno highway ba kuno kichu kare ozago just ro jungle lok tong or thamaya but bote ke point tong p तो बो और नहीं होते ओ जगह थांगा फर्स्ट और लामा तंग हिने वे तंगो एन होते पी ले एन होते पी जगह लामा तंग एन पी ओ बोरेस्ट है क्या होते हम बोरेस्ट है क्या एंड देन पी नहीं होते बो बी ओ थांगा तो फ्रॉम ओ जगह नहीं होते ए नहीं होते बी ए नहीं होते जे पी तो मनी ए नहीं होते बो फर्स्ट पी ओ थांगा फ्रॉम डी बो 5 किलोमीटर थांगा पी नहीं होते बी बो थांगा 6 किलोमीटर so मोने total distance के बुसंगनाई total distance by Ram total distance covered by Ram equals to AP plus PV which is 5 kilometer plus 6 kilometer 11 kilometer in Thanai. This is called distance. So बुझिका distance is actual path covered by a body when it is in motion. तो motion तो उनका body cover खाने वाले then तब this is the shortest path because this is the shortest path वो shortest path एकदम straight line और जगह और जिसपन और bolong tolong tong amo mean ya displacement means the shortest from the initial to the final and from the 10 kilometer from the. So here the shortest distance is here 10 kilometer. That means shortest মানে না একদম straight line না না নাই তো আমানো সংসা নাই displacement tabok nini bolong phane tongni irrespective of jungle and anything but displacement মানে আমানো hi nai তো displacement or busung nai displacement kai direct nung tanai nini ab displacement kang tanai ab which is 10 kilometer nung thasina tab clear kan I think so distance and displacement and distance kai distance je tong nai distance kai nini scalar quantity hini hinjago scalar quantity. Why distance is scalar quantity? Because you just see distance also no direction is not important. In which direction it's move. Suppose from A to P, P to B, no need no direction identification or identification no need to specify. So I mean distance is a scalar quantity. So what is scalar quantity? So scalar quantity means it has only magnitude or numerical value, no direction. But our displacement jeto mane displacement is here vector quantity. तो vector quantity ते बुझे नहीं कैसे क्लास 11 होते वो काम काई यानी वीडियो अपलोडेड खाई नहीं अपने पके नरक सब्सक्राइब खाई तो नहीं दी तो vector quantity तो हम नहीं नाई नंबर 1 पॉइंट नाई मैग्नीट्यूड तो नहीं भी नहीं मैग्नीट्यूड and number 2 needs to specify direction very important. Okay, some direction no indicate kherina nang nai both direction no bothang tong eastward right westward southward westernward amar bo jaga thang tong or easternward or nini northward bo jaga bo thang tong amar sung specified khai nai then displacement nai to ni koi question arise manu that what is called your not what is called actually is displacement can be zero, distance can be zero. So question family that distance by displacement ni bising bobo zero. First question, can distance be zero? First question kai distance can distance be zero? Can distance can distance become zero? Okay, so answer nani no, distance cannot be zero, cannot be zero. Tangai nai tak thaching oro ni hote eo ekta borok tomorom de a ni hote b thangkabo ya and b ni hote tabu yang to se phaika c o thangka and a ni hote b and b ni hote c rom di bo thangka and tesabo tom phaika distance khai from the tesabo tosa c o phaika from the mokai 5 kilometer mokai 6 kilometer and mokai 4 kilometer. So total busung nai total distance covered by this body is 5 plus 4 plus 6 ये busung nai 15 kilometer thanai. So no, distance cannot be zero because distance kuno din zero maya. Maybe suppose bo tesa any hoite bio thangi tongu bo 5 kilometer again bo back khai phayoro bo yang thangka yang phaika 5 plus 5 thanai 10 kilometer from A to B and B to A it is 10 kilometer. But my dear, this displacement can be zero. Why? Displacement can be zero. Suppose a body is here ojaga A tongo and then bo move khaika ojago B thaka bo 10 kilometer move khaika in the direction eastward muki eastward direction ke eastward direction o tomani but bo b2 way final tesa to b2 way westward thanai westward that means bo mean opposite direction thanai which means 10 plus minus 10 thanai mo so mo to thanai 0 yes displacement can be 0 displacement je tomani can be 0 displacement 0 thangmano tangai because it needs direction tomani bagai displacement 0 thaka I think joton mo bujiri mangkhana distance and displacement tangai amo 0 ngai thaka tabu phate sung tebo sung motion ni types porinai what are the types of motions sung chapter cover nai motion ni type tongu motion rongni bo adi motion rongni type hinkai ojago class 9 sung cover kan motion ni to different types tongu oro jodi sungor cover sikhai mani asuk motion ni only types tongu but according to the nature of the movement according to the nature of the movement motion is classified as 3 types sung sanai tongtomo kaisa kai linear motion hi sisinai linear motion number 2 rotary motion number 3 kaisinai oscillatory motion clear so linear motion oscillatory motion and rotary motion so linear motion tomo what is called linear motion kai if the particles move from one point to another whether it is straight or it is curved okay curved line bungmano or straight bungmano bono sungsanai linear motion bujikana what is linear motion the particles move from one point to another in either a straight line or a curved path is called linear motion so linear motion again 2 types straight line jeta thanai amono hinesing rectilinear motion and curve je thanai curved linear motion clear thaka so linear motion again 2 types a rectilinear and b curved linear motion I think buji pai khenor next boni examples tabu ko ekta nai nai pani boni examples jodi sana thanga examples so pai to examples obviously nini ngor phai nai linear motions ni jemon linear motion lo jodi thanga jemon motion of train angoro cd one motion of train example dekhai motion of train is example okay motion of train or football okay football only motion dog sungjotono oro from nai etc to rotary motion next je phai tong amke rotary motion sungsaka rotary motion hini taise tong rotary motion classified khemani to rotary motion to mone hinai rotary motion khai where rotary motion is occur when a body rotates on its own axis mane mo nijeni axis no boguri nai okay I repeat again rotary motion is the motion that occurs when a body rotates on its own axis clear to example jodi romna hinkai taburom de oro garini chaka bin own axis o gurio mo garini chaka rom kai komo garini chaka bo guri tong bin own axis o okay dekhe guri tong mono hinai sini as a wheels ni je motion gari chaka ni wheel ni motion or sini earth jer motion khamani about its axis around the sun jemon mo sun khai o jaga earth guri tong dikhai okay dekhe guri tong mo bungman mo jodi earth thing sini this called rotary motion bujikha next thanai sung oscillatory motion badi tege so finai sung oscillatory motion the last sini but not least amono sung describe khenai oscillatory motion tomo is the motion of a body about its mean position that means a few examples sung dikhano saimanai jodi kaisa charai tabu kaisa rom de oro kaisa charai bono ang dulnao kaisa dulna no khosi to atikai aro ajago atikai bono hi ajaga asugri rikha ajaga bono asugri rikha atikai to asugri kai bono tabu daga rikhai botom nai bo yang ni hoti yang fainai then tesa thangnai to amono hinasing oscillatory motion when a swing is pushed the swing moves to and fro. Okay, to and fro about its mean position. Amono hinai. To borom di kaisa oro pendulum no oro tongo pendulum ni iko oro thana ekbar jodi bono ang muk khari ke oro thana ekbar oro mean position yang thana ekbar ay thana to and fro ong tonai. Onti type of movement no sungsanai chung oscillatory motion. Okay, so I think norok motte of Simonka. The examples of motion tem na egana pari. Walking, running, closing, atirok jotono sini the flowing of the air or our lungs jerotomani out of like the flow of air in and out of our lungs is also an example of motion. Okay, automobiles that carry passengers from place to pick up to destination possess motion. Atirok jotono nini examples of some daily examples of our motions. I think norok more clear ang kana.